Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you are. This is a tutorial showing you how to make a VIP entrance card based on a Pinterest board that I saw. Within this tutorial, you learn various techniques with Illustrator, and hopefully you can make something similar or learn some tips and tricks. Here you go. So you start by going to Google and getting the diameters, which is 1050 by 600. Sorry about that. It's 600. No, the height is 600 and the width is 1050. I've created two artboards, and by doing this, I can work both on the front and back simultaneously to create the right image. Press the M on the keyboard to bring up the rectangle tool and stretch it to fit the sides of the artboard. The M on the keyboard to bring up the rectangular tool and scale it to fit the document. Default is black and white. To bring black and white, I press D on the keyboard and X to rotate these. And then what I've done, I press Command C, Command F to paste in front and scaled it down to be into the diameters of the document to create a secondary box, and adjusted the sides of it to equal measure. And change this to white, which gives me the a layered effect. And then change the stroke on the document to 20 pixels and create an inner box. And then from there, create a circle, pressing L on the keyboard, Shift, Option, Command or Command O, and scale it to be the right size. I and eyedropper tool to create the same width of the circle, or alternatively you can adjust the pixels in the stroke panel, which I've done. And then Command C, Command F to duplicate this and scale it in place to create another inner circle. Then L to bring up the circle tool, create a circle of a smaller radius and duplicate this. And don't duplicate this. Press X on the keyboard to bring up the right shape of the circle. Find the center of the circle and create another circle. And change the finish stroke. Use the arrow key for this, or use the keyboard if it doesn't work. What I've tried to do is make the path, offset the path to the circle, which didn't work. So I zoomed in the keyboard, created a path, duplicate the circle twice, and then gone to select both circles, and then gone to Shift on the keyboard to set both circles. And then go to blend, make, and change to specify steps, blend options. You need to specify a distance and increase this. Once you have to, just gonna replace spline. Or sometimes you're gonna replace the spline, sometimes you can't. So another option is go to decorative brushes or vector brushes and replacing it with one of the packs. You can buy these packs online.